Hey, you guys out there? Hey, whoa, I see you. Hello, oh yeah. Oh, over there by the table. Oh, by the couch. On the floor. Yeah, I see you guys. Wow. Oh, in the chair. Wow. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about our work today. First, I want to remind you, you have your book number 7 and book number 8 to do this week. Okay? So make sure you read your books number 7, reader book number 7, and reader book number 8. Okay, you got to finish that up, those 2 books this week. Okay, make sure you do on the very last page, your draw a line to your capital letters with your small letters, okay? Your big letters with your small letters. Remember, we have some fancy letters in there. I think Q is fancy, A is fancy, so don't get confused. There's a couple fancy letters in there. Okay, and we've talked about that before. So I want you to match those. And also, let's do this. N is our letter we're reviewing. N says N, N, N. Okay, your tongue is on the roof of your mouth, inside your mouth. Up here. N, N, N. As in nest. Or, what's another word? Nice. What about neat? New. N. Let's see. I knew somebody named Nathan. A name, Nathan. Let's see. What else for in? Night. At nighttime we go to bed. Night. What about the month of November? That's when Thanksgiving is. November. Maybe I'm going to stop at that. Knock knock. Like you're knocking on the door. Knock. I'll stop on that. No more. So you come up with 2 more. Tell your mom 2 more things that start with the N sound for in. Okay. Then, well, here's an easy one right here, right? Net. So you're going to do the blend N-E, and then you're going to add the T and write a word. Net. N, e, ne. Then add the T, t, net, net. And that's the net catching the fish. So you'll write that. You'll trace it and then write your own over here. Make sure, of course, you write your name. Make sure in your name you stay. Everybody should be upstairs and downstairs for your first letter. And then the rest of your letters should be in the downstairs. Okay, make sure you stay in your lines. I've been watching some of your names. Your parents have been sending me some of your papers. And I've been seeing some of your names. Some of you have gone out of your lines. You're making your O really big. And it's going to the top. And in some of your other letters. Okay, so make sure that you write your name really nice. And parents, if you need to, you erase their name and make them do it again. They know how to do it. If it gets too sloppy, then you erase it and they can do it again. So you have to know how to write your own name. It's your name. Okay, then on the other side, it says circle the pictures that end with the N sound. And of course, finish the pictures that need to. So we have the pen here needs you to trace it. You can it's green, so you can trace it with a green crown if you want. You don't have to use pencil. So we're looking for the words, these pictures that end with the N sound, N at the end, not at the beginning, but at the end. So this here is pen, a pen. So that has an N sound. N. This is a pig. G. Is that N sound? N? No, that's a G. Pig. Spoon. See, you have an N sound at the end of spoon. Okay. And this is clown. So we have clown. N. Spoon. N. Pen. So those are the ones that you would circle. Pig we do not circle, okay? At all. So you can color all of them. Circle the pictures. You can color all of them, but just make sure you circle pen, spoon, and clown. Okay? And then here you will work on your letter N. Little N, See how it stays in the downstairs? Big ink goes upstairs and downstairs. Okay, so you can do those. And then your other paper to do is we get to color on this side, we get to color by numbers, or actually by alphabet, not by numbers. So we know A is blue, E is red, I is orange, O is purple, and U is brown. So we look here, and so we see A here. That's a fancy A, so we know that section would be blue. Okay, so make sure you do that. If you follow the instructions the right way and pay attention, stay in the lines, you're going to make a beautiful picture of art, okay? Then on this side, we are going to count. Okay, circle the correct number of the objects. So this is number 6. So we count 6 of these, okay? We circle 6 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We circle just 6 of them. Same thing here. Number 3, we only circle 3 gloves. Number 5, we only circle 5 crayons. Number 1 here, we only circle 1 turtle. Number 2 here, we only circle 2 flowers. And 4 is here, we only circle 4 bats. Don't circle all of them, just the right amount that you're supposed to. Okay, so we have those 2 papers to do. That's easy peasy today. And I want you to do some reading today. Okay, normally we have 3 papers to do, but we only have 2 today. Now, I'm going to talk to you about these 2 pictures here. Okay, Christmas tree, okay? They both have presents, but the presents are a little different too. And this is called narrow. Narrow means it's tall and skinny. Okay? Look at the presents. They're even tall and skinny. Okay? And this is called wide. See? It's wide. It's bigger. You know, you can say maybe it's like fatter. It's bigger. And look at the presents. The presents are wider and bigger. They're not skinny. See how this is narrow and skinny? So, if we have something small, like this small, can something big fit in the middle? No. Something narrow. But if this is bigger like this is wide. There's more room to go between there. And so that's what I'm talking about. So narrow is something skinny and small. Okay. It's hard to fit through. But wide is open. So if you open up your door, say you open up your door just a little bit, you crack your door to your bedroom or the bathroom, okay? It's narrow. It's a small little spot. Maybe you can get your arm in there, and that's it. But if you open up the door all the way, now it's wide open, and you're able to fit your whole body in there. Okay, so that's the difference. Wide and narrow. Okay, narrow is skinny, wide is bigger. Okay, and everything. So narrow would be like this. Okay, wide would be like this. Okay, so narrow, wide. Okay, so a little bit like that. So just to have you learn that, and we'll probably visit that later on and talk about that a little bit more. So anyway, so get your work done. Make sure you do some of your reading. If you want to, you can do both books today if you have time. But at least try to do one book today, since you only have 2 papers today. So plus you can do an art if you have time if you want to, okay? There's no new story time today. We'll have one tomorrow. Remember, tomorrow is also have lunch with Mr. and Mrs. Kuhn, and you can eat lunch while we're eating lunch and sit down with us. And I will share with you and talk to you at lunchtime. Okay, and that'll be our video for tomorrow. That'll be a special video tomorrow. So today you need to watch 5 videos. You watch the Good Morning one. Actually, it's kind of like 6 videos because the morning one is in 2 parts. And you got this one you're watching now. Then I want you to watch your review videos. That you watch that every day, the same video over and over. your numbers, your phonics, and your Bible verses. Okay? Okay, I love you guys very much. And I will see you guys later. And let's say goodbye to Louise. Hello. Bye-bye, kids. Do your best. Hello. Okay, so you guys go get your work done. You guys get started on your work, okay? And I'll come check on you. Make sure you write your names nice and neat. Stay in your lines, okay, Stitch? Stay in your lines. Remember, stay in the downstairs. Okay, we'll see you guys later, okay? And you guys go together, okay? I'll be over there in a few minutes, okay? Yeah, go over there. Okay. I love you guys. I'll see you later, okay? Bye-bye. Love you. Bye-bye. Come on, Stitch. Louise, I'll show you guys what to do.